diseases are life-threatening if not diagnosed quickly. They are still among the top 5 leading causes of death worldwide. Every 1 hour delay in diagnosis of infections increases the risk of death for the patient by 8%. Additionally, the world spends over $7 billion in excess every day to manage these secondary complications due to delayed diagnosis of these infections. Thus, acting quickly can save both lives as well as healthcare dollars. The current method of diagnosis is inefficient, as the samples need to be collected at the bedside and transported to a centralized lab where expert technicians run multiple tests using expensive instruments as well as reagents. Thus, it takes several days to report an infection for a patient.
But our point-of-care lab-on-a-chip solution allows for on-the-spot diagnosis of infectious diseases at the patient's bedside. All the sample pre-processing and labor-intensive tasks are eliminated using our microfluidic cartridge, and the test results are read out using our hardware. A single test identifies up to 10 most common life-threatening pathogens within 1 hour and can also provide the severity of the infection that enables the doctors to make better informed decisions quickly.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shubhita Tripathi, CEO of Sepsitron. I have a master's degree in medical microbiology from University of Madras and a PhD in microbiology and immunology from National University of Singapore under full scholarship. During my master's and PhD, I handled several projects, including a joint project with Merck. Following my PhD, I had a brief stint at A-Star as a postdoctoral fellow, where I was involved in identifying novel biomarkers and building immunoassays. In total, I have over 10 years experience working closely with human disease-causing pathogens and have spent most part of the decade building multiple diagnostic assays.
Hi, I am Dr. Arjun Ramaswamy, the CTO of Sepsitron. I have a master's in integrated circuit design from Technical University of Munich and a PhD in electrical and electronic engineering from Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. I have received several scholarships for my master's and PhD studies, including the scholarship from the Economic Development Board of Singapore. During my PhD, I was involved in designing various low-power electronic circuits and silicon chips for medical devices and implants. In total, I have more than 7 years of experience building cost-effective electronic systems for various medical devices.
Life-threatening infectious diseases are a global healthcare problem. They are more common than heart attacks and claim more lives than any cancer. The recent COVID-19 pandemic is only one example of the potential magnitude and severity that the infectious diseases can have if not diagnosed quickly. Unfortunately, most countries in the world have fractured, non-homogeneous healthcare systems that rely heavily upon centralized labs and expert technicians, and thus can take several days to report an infection. But remember, when it comes to saving lives, it's about time.
Hence, we are building a point-of-care lab-on-a-chip system for rapid detection of infection using our combined expertise in pathogen identification and medical electronics. At Sepsitron, we are creating a platform technology that disrupts the way infectious diseases are diagnosed. Want to know more? Please come and talk to us. We are Sepsitron.